Welcome back to Adventures of Nathan and Ethan.
Hi guys, I'm joining him in this video today because it's part of a project for Hispanic Heritage Month. We have to make a Latin food. Yeah. So we decided that we're gonna make tacos
and guacamole.
So we're gonna do the videos in two separate videos. So we're gonna do the guac, and then we're gonna do you're gonna look on our channel for the taco video.
Yes.
So for the guacamole, we have
avocado.
We have took the pit out, sliced it. Then we have tomatoes. It's finely diced.
Yes.
We have cilantro.
Yes.
You can leave this out if you don't care too much for it. Then I have diced small onions, and it's soaked in warm water to take away some of the rawness from the onion. You're gonna need some salt, and you're gonna need some lemon juice, as well as some ground cumin. So let's get started on our avocado. Let's move this aside. This is for the taco. So in the bowl with your avocados, you are gonna put some lemon juice. So about a spoon. Drizzle it over the avocado. Then we're gonna mash the avocados. You don't want to mash it too much. You want to leave it a little chunky. Go ahead and mash it. Let me show them. You want to smell it? Uh-oh, I see a little piece of this avocado skin was stuck to it. Take that out. Next, we're going to add our tomatoes. You could add it. Finish. Add our cilantros. And the onion, which was soaked in warm water. I'm gonna dip it out with a spoon. Add it. Drain the water off. You can mix it up. Eyes burning?
Yeah.
You can add some salt to taste, about a pinch.
Yeah.
Or two.
Looks like sand.
And your ground cumin. A dash. Sprinkle. Put it. Good. Then
mix it all up.
There you go. We have our guacamole. Perfect dipping. You're gonna see our other video where we're gonna make our tacos, and we're gonna use this as a topping on the tacos. There you go.
See guys?
How about a taste test for them? You want to do a taste test for them?
Yes. Guys, we can do a taste test. See if you like it.
How is it? Tell the viewers.
Bad!
It's bad?
Yeah, I don't
What
like
makes it bad? Oh, the cilantros. You don't like the cilantro. So, like we said, you can leave the cilantros out.
Don't taste good.
Okay, so you can say bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.